Okay, so we're looking at a short video called Plotting Straight Lines, or linear functions as we properly call them, from a table of values. Now when you're plotting, especially with a straight line, you only actually need 2 points, but what I'm suggesting is to ensure accuracy, let's use 3 values. But if you use 2, there's always a small chance that you can make a mistake, but 2 is what you need. And when you have a look at my examples, you might say that 2 is all you need. Okay, so copy that and come across when you're ready. Okay, so we're looking at an example. First of all, I know that this is a linear function because the highest power of x. So it's a linear function, and it's because the highest power of x. Okay, there's the x, and the highest power is 1. When you have 2s and 3s, you get different shapes. Okay, so with the table of values, you can use any numbers you like, but for ease, we are going to use just 0, 1, and 2. Okay, so let's have a look at what happens when you substitute those values. So these values, 0, 1, and 2, are going to go into the position where there's an x, and it says double it and then subtract 3. So the first one is when you double 0, you just get the number at the back. So you get -3. The next one says put x equals 1. So you take 1 and you double it, you get 2. So that number now is 2 when x equals 1. So 2 minus 3 is -1. And then when you put the 2 in, when you put 2 there, 2 2s are 4. So that number now is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay. Now you should notice that there's a pattern. And the pattern is that the y values are going up in 2, and that's that number there. So the x numbers are going up in 1s, okay, 0 to 1 to 2. So they're going up in 1s, but the y numbers are going up in 2s. And the reason it's going up in 2s is because that number is a 2. Okay, so copy that and come across when you're ready. Okay, so we're going to do another one. Same again, 0, 1, and 2. Okay, so the first one is, this is the x position. It says multiply by -3 and then subtract 1. So when x equals 0, this term disappears, so you just get -1. Next one, when you put 1 in, -3 times 1 is -3. -3 minus 1 is -4. And you can see that it's going down in 3s, which is that number there. So we don't need to do the next one. So the next number will be -7. Okay, and that's it. So from this, the reason why you really only need 2, okay, if you just use those 2, the first number 0 will just be the back number, and then change this number by the same number. So we'll do one more just so we got the habit. So we've got y equals 5x plus 7 x, y, 0, 1, 2. So for the 0 value, you just use the 7. And then for the 1 and the 2, we're going to go up in 5s. So it's 12 and 17, and we're done. Okay, that's it. Bye.